how to change language on Samsung. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can change the language on your Samsung Galaxy device, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you can currently see that I have a Samsung Galaxy device running on the latest One UI 6.0 based on Android 14. As at the time when I'm making this video, the latest version is Android 14. So if you'd like to change the language for your Samsung Galaxy device, first of all, open up the settings application and look for the option called General Management and tap on it. And once you go to General Management, again, if you look at the very top, you'll find an option that says Language. So now you can tap the language option. You can see all the downloaded languages, but if you haven't downloaded it, you can also choose to add a new language by selecting that. Selecting a language that you would like to download, the language pack will start to download and then the language will get changed. Now the Android 14 also offers a per app languages, so you can also tap on app languages for a certain app only that you would like to change to, so that you can change the language for that app. But to give you an idea, this is how you can change the language on Samsung. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.